What you're looking at here today is a 52-inch Emerson heat fan with the K63 motor. Yeah, 3 blades, K63. These are very, very, very rare. Very difficult to find. Yes. This one came out of a local supermarket that was being gutted to become an Ace Hardware, or what was a supermarket. Anyway, they contacted me this morning and said the fans were mine. So, yep. The fan dates to 1981, which is a bit late for the K63. I'm not really sure exactly why that is, but that's how it is. Alright, now we're going to see how it performs. The bearings on the fan are shot, so it will not start on low speed with the Hunter 1.6 amp 3-speed control. So this is medium. The motor is rated for 1.3 amps, which is a little less than I expected. You can already hear the bearings hissing. The bearings are shot and they will need to be replaced. Which, knowing K63 motors and how they heat up so much, or how they run so hot, that's not surprising. Not at all. Anyway. So that's the medium speed. Now we're going to bump it to high. Moves a lot of air, which is not at all surprising. This is model HF-152. Alright, now we're going to shut it off. Since the bearings are shot, in need of replacement, it coasts down very quickly. For those who are wondering, this is the childhood fan. When I was 5 years old, my school took me on a field trip to the local shopping center to see, you know, how things worked, how a supermarket worked. This was in the back room. Yep. Turn it back on. There we go. Yes, this was in the back room. And it was the first heat fan, or as we call them, blender fans, that I ever really saw. And with 3 blades, it was unique. So, fast forward 21 years, the fan finally has come down, and it is now finally mine, and I absolutely adore it. There's the little button on the bottom of a flywheel. It has the Emerson logo in it. I think that's pretty cool. So, turn it back off. And there you have it.